Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're roasting a boneless leg of lamb on the Beale Street, powered by Memphis. You can actually make this recipe with a bone-in leg of lamb as well. I actually think it might taste a little bit better, but I don't think that anything beats the simplicity and the practicality of the boneless when you have friends over. So start by finally chopping the rosemary, the thyme, and the sage leaves. Then you want to blend this together with the Dijon mustard, the lemon juice, the minced garlic, and the olive oil, and mix this thoroughly until you get a good paste. Now it's time to seasoning the leg of lamb, and we have a beautiful piece here. And some people like to remove the fat cap. I prefer to keep it on. I think it tastes better that way. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to give it some salt and a little bit of pepper, and then we're going to smear it with our marinade mix. We're going to put the leg of lamb in the refrigerator and let it marinate for at least 4 hours, preferably overnight. So we have a beautiful boneless leg of lamb that's been sitting in the refrigerator overnight. It smells and it looks amazing. So it's now time to set up the Beale Street, powered by Memphis, at 325, and we're going to use oak pellets for this smoke. And what we're going to do is we're going to roast now the leg of lamb until we reach an inner temperature of 130 degrees. So it's been about 2 hours. The boneless leg of lamb is sitting in the Beale Street, powered by Memphis, with an inner temperature of 130 degrees. So it's now time to take it out, put it in an aluminum pan, add a couple of slices of butter on top, foil it, and then let it rest for 15 minutes before we start slicing it. And remember to always slice it against the grain. And that is how you roast a boneless leg of lamb on the Beale Street, powered by Memphis. Now, if you like this recipe, please subscribe to Memphis Wood Fire Grill's YouTube channel, or check out their website, www.memphisgrills.com, for more recipes like this. I guess the only thing left for me to do is try the lamb and see what it tastes like. First of all, perfect medium rare, just the way that I want it. So here we go. Oh man, fatty, packed with flavor. You can really taste the herbs, and then there's that rich lamb flavor. This is really good. I hope you try it at home. Happy grilling.